Hello guys, a very sad situation and you do not know because we have a freedom of speech but you cannot, the bad words and whatever would come out we have to still control to it because there are people who would talk about that also. But this is high time, we all need together. I have put my number, WhatsApp number on this video. Please message me on WhatsApp. It is high time. I do not mind, I don't give a damn about what is going to happen next, but the present criminals also, whichever rape accused, have been arrested and put in the jail. I demand a release of these people right here, right now, within this 1 or 2 days. And those people without any trial, I don't care a damn about whatever is going to happen next, but these criminals have to be released in public, in front of everyone, outside the jail, and they have to be murdered right away. This cannot happen that the cops catch the criminals when you know they are criminals and you put them for a trial, and they should not be given any trial, no lawyers, nothing should be given to them. They have to be taken care of on the spot. We cannot wait for the present situation that happened today to the girl and her body was found on the beach. We cannot wait for that. The previous whichever incidents that have happened in whether it was in Kepe, whether it was in Benaulim beach, those accused have to be released immediately in front of the public, and that has to create a example. And we all have to get together. Whoever is watching this video, please message me on WhatsApp and we will create a group. We will meet at whichever police station it is whatsoever, and please message only if anybody is going to go all out. I do not mind going in the jail for doing anything wrong in this matter. I don't give a damn about whatever future or anything of my family also, but this has to come to an end and somebody has to do it. Anybody who wants to follow me for this particular decision, I am going to take a call very soon, and please do WhatsApp me on my number which is given 8669 767017. We all have to get together. It's either you break down the police station, you break down the jail, or whatsoever it may be. Let the government bring in the power of let the Home Ministry bring the power of every army or anything. This cannot continue in our state or our country. It has to be, they have to be executed without any delay. No court, no police, no sentence. They have to be taken care of on the spot, and that should be it. Like, no, otherwise there is going to be no sentence, there is going to be no example that is going to be set ever, and the cases will be keep on prolonging in the court, and these people will be kept in the jail. We will be feeding them in the jail with our money. Why should they be taken care of in the jail also? They have to be given out to the public, and this has to be done right now. There is no time and there is no waiting. The criminals, once caught, have to be handed over to the public. Once they have caught, on the spot judgment, or the court, whichever judge it is, has to be brought to the police station. There is no courtroom for such kind of things. Rape and our daughters and sisters and cannot be murdered in this manner and raped in this manner. We all have to come out aggressively, guys. Please share this video. Please share my number. We have to all come together. Stop all your work and everything. The state has to be put on halt, and these criminals have to be brought out on the streets and have to be killed on the spot. We cannot have these criminals roaming around, and we cannot have them coming like we cannot wait for it. Everybody has to have the fear of being killed, and they have to be brutally murdered in front of the public. So please share this video right now, and my number has been mentioned above. Please WhatsApp me on that number. Let's take it forward, guys. And everyone has to, because all these stories are getting stuck. People forget about it in 10 days and there's a new story coming up. How long can we wait for this? 1, 2, 3, 1. So how many rapes have happened in this bloody 1 month? And what is the ministry doing? अरे बाबा, प्रमोद सावंत 10 मासा जाल्या भायर काढ तेंका आणि गुळे घालून मार सगळ्यांच्या मुखार. कितें करता रे? धरलो आणि जेलीन घातला तेंका आमचे पयशार तेंका पोसपाक थंगा, तेंका जेवण घालपाक. Those in the jail also, they were only made nude and do baitaks. I request, there are phones in the prisons. Any prisoner who is having the phone, तेंका कोण आसात रेप अक्यूज, तेंका काबार करून सोडा थंयचे थंय. आमी आसा तुमचे फाटी, तांकां थंयचे थंय काबार करून भायर सोडना जाल्यार, नाल्यार आमी पळयतले हें कितें करपाचें तें. दिस इज नॉन टॉलरेबल. You cannot tolerate this. Just imagine if it was your sister. We cannot imagine also because it has not happened to us. आमकां जाता, आमच्या आंगाक कातरे पडटात तेन्ना आमकां कळटा तें दूख तें. ते आवय बापायचें कितें जालें आसतलें आमकां खबर ना. If it was, we have to take it as your own daughter or your own sister and go ahead. The same anger of this whatever rage would happen to your family has to be done towards, like if it was your family member, what you would do, that we have to do. Viju, very well said. Whatever it is, Goa police is doing their job, but they are not getting any punishment. Being in jail is not a punishment for the rape accused. It may be a punishment for robbery and assault and whatever, half murder and whatever it is, but not for rape accused. Rape accused cannot have any kind of punishment in the prison or by law, but they have to be given punishment by the public. Our daughters and sisters cannot be brutally murdered like this anymore.